Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, we're going to change the cabin air filter. So we're going to get started shortly, changing the cabin filter. I believe this works, it's the same on 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150s. So if you have one of those and you want to do it yourself, stay tuned. So before we go out and get started, I'll just let you know we're going to be using a 7mm socket on a ratchet with a small extension. I have my air filter. I like Wix filters. I've told you guys this before. They are the premium filter brand. That's the part number I'm using. And it's always a good idea to have a work light, and it will help me show you what I'm up to. So let's head out. Step number one is going to be to empty out the glove box, which we've done. And I'm going to pull these pins out and drop it down. Okay, so you got to move it forward. Not sure if you can see in here. Drop that out. Then we're going to push on the sides and release it very carefully. And it then folds all the way down. Come up to this lip up here, and you're going to just pry it gently with your fingers. And it comes out. It just sits in with these clips here. You set that aside, and now you can see 4 bolts. We only need the 2 outside bolts, the ones that are closest to you. So you take your ratchet, okay, so we got to work it out. It's held in with clips, these little plastic clips, and then we can take off the glove box sensor. Just have to unplug it. And then if you look right in there, I'm not sure if you can all see in there. So let me get close so you look. Okay, so now it's lighting up. So this is inside. Inside this is where the air filter is. So we just got to pry in behind here. There's a tab here. If you get your finger in, you can pull it out. And I believe it's the same for that side. And away it covers the old air filter. This is after only a year. And you can see it's pretty dirty. So this is a comparison between the old dirty filter and the new one. We're going to go ahead and put the cover back on. So it popped into place there. I felt it snap on both sides. So the tabs go into these 2 things here, and you push on both sides. It's locked in, it's snapped. Now it's just the reverse. We put it back together, exact opposite way we took it apart. And it'll be good to go. There you go. So that's it for my cabin air filter replacement video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.
Subscribe and comment.
Hit
that notification bell
to always be notified of every time that a new video comes out.